In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Trello card to a checklist item. Start by opening Trello in your browser and making sure you're logged into your Atlassian account. Once you're in, go to the board that contains the card you want to convert. This process is useful when you realize that a card doesn't really need to stand alone anymore and would make more sense as part of a checklist inside another main task. Find the card you want to convert and click on it to open it. When the card details pop up, take a quick look through the information inside. You'll want to preserve anything important before turning that content into checklist items. Depending on how the card is written, this could be a short description, a few action points, or multiple lines that can each become a subtask. Now, if the checklist is going to live inside a different main card, open that main card. If you're already inside the card where you want the checklist to go, that's perfect. On the right-hand side of the card, look for the checklist option and click it. Trello will then ask you to add a checklist. Click Add Checklist, then type a name for it. Choose a name that clearly matches the work you're moving over. For example, you might use the original card title or a broader task name if the checklist will include several related steps. Once you've entered the name, click Add. You'll now see a new empty checklist inside the card. Next, go back to the original card you want to convert. Copy the content from that card. If the card has a description with separate actions, copy those lines. The easiest way to make this work smoothly is to make sure each checklist item is on its own line. In other words, every task or subtask should be separated by a line break before you paste it into Trello. Return to the checklist you just created in the main card. In the checklist area, click into the field where you can add checklist items. Paste the content there, making sure it appears one item per line. Trello can turn multiple lines into multiple checklist entries, which saves time compared to adding them one at a time. After pasting the content, click Add Items. Trello will create individual checklist items from the lines you pasted. At this point, your original card content has now been converted into a checklist format inside the main card. If the original card contains extra detail that weren't part of the main description, you can still bring those over. Open the original card again if needed and review anything else worth keeping, like short notes or additional action lines. Then copy those details and add them into the checklist as more items, again keeping one item per line. If something doesn't fit neatly as a checklist task, you can also keep that information in the main card's description instead, but for true subtasks, checklist items are usually the best choice. Once everything has been transferred, take a moment to compare the original card with the new checklist. Make sure no important steps were missed, and confirm that the wording is clear enough for anyone on the board to understand. This is especially helpful if you're collaborating with others and want the new checklist to be easy to follow. When you're satisfied that the checklist now contains everything important, you can close the original card if it's no longer needed as a separate task. This helps keep your board cleaner and avoids duplicate work. If that card used to represent a standalone task but is now part of a larger task, closing it is usually the right move. Just make sure you only do that after confirming the checklist is complete. Now you can use those checklist items as subtasks within the main card. As work gets done, you or your team can check off each item one by one, which makes progress easier to track without cluttering the board with too many separate cards. And that's it. You successfully converted a Trello card into checklist items inside another card. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This is a simple workaround because Trello doesn't